Alright, well, it is time for me to relive my childhood. Flight Simulator 10. Probably the most influential video game in what made me decide to want to be a pilot. And we are going to learn exactly how to be a pilot with the tutorials.
In this tutorial, you'll learn how to navigate and look around. Then you'll make your first takeoff and landing. Pull back slightly on the stick.
Oh god, maybe I'm an idiot. Maybe I'm just an idiot.
Over the runway
Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh god. Oh. Okay, maybe...
Get through it.
Oh yeah, we will be landing. And we will be landing correctly and not idiotically pitching into the ground. We float. It's fine. It's fine. Oh god.
Now brake.
Okay, it's fine.
Pull the trigger on your joystick or press the period key. Push forward on the stick a bit to gently lower the nose. Slow down during the descent by reducing the power.
Do I want to slow down? Do I want to slow down? Oh god.
Or to the briefing.
87 is my max speed. I will not exceed 87. Is it full? What? Kind of already want to jump into bigger aircraft now. This thing seems so slow. 10 miles per hour. Look at me, like raise the nose of the speed. Through this is like Gran Turismo. This is like Gran Turismo right here. The other thing about taxiing a tail dragger like this is that you can't see what's directly ahead of you. You kind of have to look out the side.
Very short mountain airstrips with tall trees nearby. It's very important to use the flaps during short takeoffs and landings.
Okay. Front, back, clear. And we go. Right, left, both. And mixture fully. And this is low fuel because they didn't put more fuel in this thing. This would be an emergency situation, a fuel emergency. Did I ever finish this? I probably got lazy. I don't see my 10 or so years old self completing this tutorial. I don't think I would have been patient enough at that age to complete this.
Turn the chrome handles on the right side of the cockpit.
Dump the ballast? Why? Why would I need to do that? Do I do this? Oh, is it dropping water? Oh, it's dropping water! I did not know we could do this in this flight sim. I think we'll make the runway. Wait, did I lower the landing gear? I don't think I lowered the landing gear. Get up! Shit!
Touchdown. Now
okay.
Keep the wings level as long as possible.
Jets! Alright. This is where I'm quite excited to do this now. Jets. We've gone through ultralights, we've gone through Cub, we've gone through Cessna and the glider. Now we're going to the big boy planes.
You'll control the aircraft, I'll handle the radios. I'll call out 80 knots, V1. Rotate, probably tell us to make a left turn to the west. I'll let you know when to turn.
I'll be completely honest and say I have now been information overloaded. Let's fly helicopters. Speed. Let's just try not to... Oh god, we're overspeeding. Never mind. Break the helicopter. Wow, if I flew that close to a warship, I'd probably get shot down. Land. Okay, there. Alright. It's really the sort of game that a child like me, when I was at that age, would have fallen in love with. Such a good way. It's such a good celebration of aviation. That's what I'm trying to say. Sling low. This is the thing that I could never do. Oh god, this is a bit of a disaster here. This isn't looking very good. The trouble is I don't have rudder pedals, and I think in a helicopter, having rudder pedals is very good. Oh, just please, Mr. Ground Handler. Okay, this is the moment right here. I believe this is the moment right here. Oh god, we got the thing. We got the thing. I am about to destroy the precious cargo. I have destroyed the precious cargo. Oh god. Oh my god, this boat. Why would a boat accelerate like that? Come on, boat. this boat has the acceleration of a speedboat, right? Like a yacht would never accelerate. Oh my goodness, just land. Oh god, I'm gonna crash. I crashed. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, please don't move, boat. Don't move, boat. Just stay. Oh my goodness, boat. I'm like, oh my god, why would you break? Oh my goodness, yacht, don't move. What? So I completed the mission, but it said I failed. Fuck it, I'll take it.